Turn 1,000 social media followers into a $100,000 per month income. The purpose of advertising. Many people overcomplicate social media. They think they have to build a following of hundreds of thousands of followers. However, you can build a $1 million income from as little as 1,000 followers. The purpose of advertising is, once you have built a large enough following that you can send a message to, you only need a small percentage of that following to respond to the message to reach your income goal. What is 1,000 times 1,000? It's $1 million. Correct? Making money has always been about relationships. You can't build a relationship with 1 million people, but you can build a relationship online with 1,000 of your followers multiplied by 1,000 of their followers, giving you a network of 1 million people. You are just one person away from 1 million followers and 2 people away from 1 billion. Don't forget about the social part of social media. On social media, it's not about the number of followers you have, but the relationship you have with your followers. Because of the overabundance of messages on social media, Chet Holmes International published a report stating that people need to see your content about 500 times before they will remember you. Due to the algorithms that many social media platforms use, only 2 to 5% of your followers will see your posts. However, if you regularly comment on someone's posts, send messages to them, and post your content when you do, you are more likely to be noticed and take action on your content. Only 2% of sales are done on the first contact. So if you make a second attempt, you are doing better than 73% of your competitors. However, 80% of sales are done between the 5th and 12th contact. Most people treat social media the same way as companies did with TV, by blasting out a message to their audiences. However, for this to work, you have to have audiences of at least hundreds of thousands of people. Marketing data shows that one-on-one relationships have the highest closing rates. One-on-one marketing. This is how people like Brian Tracy, Chet Holmes, Jordan Belfort, and Grant Cardone built names for themselves, selling over the phone. However, people like Gary Vaynerchuk built his $100 million a year empire, starting out using social media the same way that people use the telephone, by building one-on-one relationships. If you have 200,000 followers on social media, it is not that building a large social media following does not work, but rather, if you are starting out by working together as a team, you can build a $1 million income through social media with just 1,000 followers. We use this knowledge to help you earn a high income by helping medical offices, real estate agents, restaurants, and other local companies grow. Build a $100,000 per month income. In the worst case scenario, you will only need to send 10,000 requests to build a following of 1,000 people. Then, out of those followers, 100 will buy your product. However, there is a referral strategy we use, where those 100 customers will bring in an average of 200 new customers per year. The breakdown is as follows. 1/3 will do nothing, 1/3 will bring in some referrals, 1/3 will do even more. So out of 100 people, you'll have about 5 to 6 who will make you the majority of your money. If you have heard enough to get started, you'll find the link below this video. Otherwise, visit IW2PY.com. One more thing, stay healthy, have a great day, and I'm glad I could help you.